Here I'm going to show you how to divide 96 divided by 4 using the partial quotients method. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my 96 inside. And I'm dividing it by 4. Over here I'm going to do my 4's tower to help me think about all the groups I can make to get close to 96. My 4's tower helps me remember my facts. So I'm going to count by 4's. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. And I'm just going to go up to groups of 10 because I can then use my basic facts to help me. So what I mean by that, if I look at 96 and I underline my 9, I can go over here in my tower and think, what is the closest I can get to 9? So I'm going to count on my tower. I look and I see 8 because I know 12 is too big. So 8 is the closest I can get to 9 without going over. So I'm going to take that 8 and put it underneath my 9 and underline it. Since I have a place over here, I have a 6 in the ones place, I'm going to tack on a 0 to this 8 to make it 80. So now over here I know that 4 times 1, 2 equals 8. When I tack on my 0, I know that it's going to get me 80. Now, since division is the same thing as repeated subtraction, I'm going to take away this group of 80. So I have 6 minus 0 is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1. So I'm left with 16. I'm going to go on my tower again and see what's the closest I can get to 16 without going over. Well, when I look over here, I see exactly 16. So I'm going to go over here and put my 16 right underneath here. And then I'm going to think about what did I multiply to get 16. I multiplied 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. So over here I'm going to write 4 times 4, which equaled my 16. And again, I'm going to subtract. 16 minus 16 is 0. When we do this method, we don't stop finding groups and subtracting until we get less than our divisor, which is 4. If I still have more than 4 here, then I'm going to keep finding groups of 4 and subtracting. So since I got a 0, I know that I'm done. Now to find my answer, I'm going to look at what I multiplied 4 by to get 96, right? So I'm going to go over here and I know I multiplied 4 times 20 and 4 times 4. If I add those up together, I get 24. I'm going to put that right up here. 96 divided by 4 gets me 24.